Hello and welcome to this new video of the series Job Preparation. Today you are watching very important video. In this video you will learn how to build the perfect resume. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends. So let's get started. First we will see what is a resume. A good resume is your key to getting that dream job. Your resume serves as introduction to the employers and conveys your skills and knowledge to the interviewer. Most companies have a round called resume shortlisting. This is done by an ATS or Applicant Tracking System, where an AI based application scans your resume and gives it a score. Based on the score, then your profile is shortlisted for further rounds. Therefore, it is very important that you build a proper resume that is both ATS friendly and readable for any interviewer. In this video, you will find all the important resume preparation tips. Now, we will see first the difference between a CV and resume. CV gives your entire career history, whereas resume gives an overview of your skills relevant for the job. Second, a CV focuses more on your academic and career accomplishments, whereas the resume focuses more on your skills. Third point of difference is a CV used when applying for fellowship, grants, or any academic position, whereas resume used when applying for job in industry. And the last point of difference is there is no fixed length for CV, whereas it should not be more than 1 to 1.5. So it is for resume. Before you start your resume preparation, you should know about the different types of resume. Now we have listed the different resume types and their pros and cons. So types of resume. Resume types are widely categorized into three categories, which are chronological resume, second functional resume, third combined resume. We will now go through each and pick out the best template for your resume preparation. Now first, chronological resume. Now we will see first what is chronological resume. A chronological resume lists your work experience in reverse order. That is, your latest job will be listed first. This includes the company job role, date of joining, and a brief summary of your job responsibilities. Next, we will see the pros of chronological resume. Chronological resume highlights career achievements. It is easy to read by researchers. Cons of chronological resume: it brings attention to career gaps, difficult to spot skills. Chronological resume is best suited for job seekers with high work experience, wanting to highlight notable employers, and seeking job in same industry. Chronological resume is not suited for professionals with significant career gap if looking for a career change. So this is all about the chronological resume. Next we will see the second type, functional resume. Before that, this is the sample of chronological resume or the format of chronological resume. Take a look at this chronological resume format. Now, the second type is functional resume or skill based resume. Now, we will see first what is actually a functional resume is. A functional resume focuses on skills of a person rather than the past work experience. This format lists skills and work experience together. It highlights an individual talent and skill sets rather than the previous work experience. Pros of functional resume are emphasizes on skills, and second, minimizes your lack of work experience. Cons of functional resume are employers do not prefer this format, does not emphasizes work experience, thus making resume appear shallow and lacking content. Functional resume is best suited for freelancers having career gap, freshers with limited work experience, looking for a career change. Functional resume not suited for if looking for a job in same field or if you have extensive work experience. So now take a look at the functional resume or skill based resume format. This is the sample format of functional resume. Here you will see it is focus on skills. So now the third type is hybrid or combination resume. Now we will see what is actually a combination resume is. A combination resume or hybrid resume combines with chronological and functional resume. It includes emphasis on both skills as well as work experience in reverse chronological order. Now the pros of combination resume are highlights both work experience and skills, and second, it is the most easy to read format. Cons of combination resume are it cannot hide career gap, difficult to highlight the most relevant information. Combination resume is best suited for most job seekers and when looking for a job or career change. It is not suited for wide gaps in employment or education. So now this is the sample format of hybrid or combination resume. Take a look at this sample format of combination resume. So take a look at these important points for resume preparation. First of all, it is recommended to upload your professional photo like this. Then your basic sources for official communication which is required to show your authenticity. So basic sources of communication should be mentioned. Then section consisting your brief intro. There should be a section consisting your short, crisp, impactful and should sound visionary intro. Then basic educational background which will include your college, university and school name, CGPAs, grades, and enter these details in descending order. Then certification and projects, important certification and projects you undertook which are in accordance with the job description. Mention your certification in ascending order. Character references. References are important to add in resume as employers can get third party opinion of the person applying. So this is all about the how to write the perfect resume. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.